Good morning, students. Today's video will be all about compound angle formulae. This is a part of a lesson trigonometry of A level. Am I clear? I will tell you all compound angle formulae from A level trigonometry lesson in this video. Let us start. First formula that you need to learn is sin A plus B. How much is sin A plus B formula and how much is sin A minus B? Clear? Let me write then. Sin A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. How do you remember it? Means if here it is plus, here also you get a plus. If here it is minus, here also you get a negative sign. Clear? And sin A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And sin A minus B is nothing but sin A cos B. Both are same. Only the sign will get changed. If it is here plus, you get a plus here. Here, if it is minus, you get a negative sign over here. Now, next formula that you need to learn is cos A plus B. How much is cos A plus B? It is cos A cos B. Both are in terms of cos. In case of sin, it was one sin and other one was cos. But here in case of cos A plus B, both are cos. And its opposite sign. If here it is plus, I get a minus sign over here. Minus sin A and sin B. That is how we need to remember. Now if it is cos A minus B is nothing but cos A cos B. Here it is minus, so I get a plus sign over here. Sin A sin B. Clear? Next formula that you need to know is tan of A plus B. Tan A plus B is nothing but tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is a formula. Generally, all the formulas are given to you in your formula sheet. But while doing sums, for each sum, you cannot look at the formula sheet. So better is if you know it. Now, here it is plus. In the numerator, you get a plus, and in the denominator, minus. The same thing if you have a minus sign over here. So here also you get a minus sign now. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Am I clear? If here it is plus, you get a plus sign over here and the other sign negative over here. If here it is minus, you get a minus sign and the other sign at the denominator. Am I clear so far? Sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, both comes in one term. And if here it is plus, here also you get a plus. If here it is minus, you get a minus sign over here. Now cos A plus B is nothing but both are cos. And the sign between two terms will be the opposite. If here it is plus, you get a minus sign over here. If it is minus, you get a plus sign over here. And tan A plus B is nothing but tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here it is plus, you get a plus sign over here. Negative sign in the denominator. Had it been here negative, you get a positive sign in the denominator. Am I clear so far? Now, let us look at double angle formula. What do I mean by double angle? Here, in this formula, in place of A, or else just I say A is nothing but B, then what change will happen to this formula? It becomes sin A plus A, 2A it becomes, equal to sin A into cos A. B is also nothing but A, so I am writing A plus cos A into sin A. So how much will this result in? 2 sin A cos A. This is a formula for sin 2A. Double angle means double of the angle. So sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. This formula is derived from this one only. When I replace a equal to b, I get sine 2a. Same way, if I want cos 2a, I will use this. And again the same thing. In place of b, I will put a. It becomes cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. So here it becomes cos square a minus sin square a. Am I clear? But here this can be used or something else can also be used. If I change cos square to sin square, so I can write 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So this will become 1 minus 2 sin square a. Even this one also can be used for cos 2a. One more formula you can use for cos 2a, and that is, over here you have changed cos. You could also change sin square. So sin square can also be written as 1 minus cos square a. So this will become cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a becomes 2 cos square a minus 1. Am I clear? Now, in what cases you need to use this one, what cases you need to use this one? How do you determine that? Is this way. Let us say you have 1 plus cos 2a. If I use this formula for cos 2a, will the 1 get cancelled? 1 plus 1 it's becoming 2. 1 is not getting cancelled. So this should not be used now. Cos 2a should be used in such a way that the one beside it or after it should be getting cancelled. So here this should not be used. Had I used this one, 2 cos square a minus 1, then this one and this one will get cancelled. To cancel out 1, the formula should be chosen. Now one more example. If you have cos 2a minus 1, in this case what formula would you use for cos 2a? If I use 1 minus 2 sin square a, only then 1 is getting cancelled. So I should use this formula. This formula or this formula you will choose depending on to cancel out 1. By using what formula will 1 gets cancelled, accordingly you will choose that formula. One more example. If it is cos 2a plus 1. So if I use 1 minus 2 sin square a plus 1, 1 is not getting cancelled, so this formula should not be used. So for this 2 cos square a minus 1 and this plus 1, as it is 1 got cancelled, so this formula should be used. Am I clear? When should you use which formula for cos 2a? Priority. 1 should get cancelled. Choose the formula accordingly. Okay, let us move to the next one. And the next one is tan 2a. Again for tan 2a formula also same. In place of b I will put a. So I get tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. So which will result in 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Is tan 2a formula. Am I clear? I don't need the derivation, but I should know the formula for each of them. Tan 2a is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a, 3 formulas I have got. Mostly we will be using these two, depending on how to cancel out 1. So it is cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. And these are the formulas. This will be given to you in the formula set, but better if you know it. Am I clear? You don't need the proof, you should just know how they have come. Okay, let us see more sums on this in the next video.